In today's day, where is the most dangerous place for Jewish people? Go all around the world. All the world, you will come to one point, the middle of the world. It's the state of Israel. It is the most dangerous place for Jewish people. Jews live peacefully here in England. I live in England already 36 years. I don't know how an English soldier looks like. I never saw them. In Israel, every small child knows all the weapons, all the soldiers, tanks, all military vehicles. This is safeness. This is the most dangerous place for the Jewish people. 7th of October didn't start on 7th of October. It started on 1948 on the 15th of May. It started by the Nakba for the Palestinians. This happened when they want to cover up their killings, the genocide, with more killings. When you control a people, a large amount of people, of 2 million people, when to have electricity, when not, when to have water, and when not. This is the outcome. Zionism is basically built up on mistrusting God. Don't believe in God. Don't trust God. From the other side, Judaism is built up on trusting in God. The state of Israel is a rebellion against God, and they will not succeed. They will come to an end. A person who can justify genocide, a person who can commit genocide, I can't count him as a Jew. People who justify genocide, there are more Nazis than Jews.